This is the cliff. He is observing on top of the cliff to a boat which is making an angle of depression 30 degrees. Angle of depression, it's making 30 degrees with the boat. This is the boat. Angle of depression is 30 degrees. Then it's approaching the shore to the point immediately beneath the observer with a uniform speed, and then that means that the boat is moving with a uniform speed. Then 6 minutes later, after the 6 minutes, it is observing that the angle of depression is changes to 60 degrees. After 6 minutes, boat is traveled some of the distance, and then when he is observing the boat after 6 minutes, then it is making 60 degrees angle. We need to find out time taken by the boat to reach the shore. What is the time taken by boat to reach the shore? We need to find. So let us take the names of this. At the starting of the point, let us take O and A, B and C. Here this is the point C. We need to find out the distance traveled by the boat from here to here. So after 6 minutes traveled by the boat, when the angle changes from 30 degrees to 60 degrees. So height of the cliff is here. This is the height of the cliff from triangle OAB. From triangle OAB, tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by OA. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3, that is equals to AB by OA. Tan 30 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is AB, adjacent side is OA. So AB by OA. AB is the same thing divided by OA. Tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3, we know that. So let us find out the value of AB. Then root 3 into AB is equals to 1 into OA is OA. We have done the cross multiplication here. That is root 3 into AB, 1 into OA. So we got root 3 AB into OA. So when we find the value of AB, AB is equals to OA divided by root 3. This is the first equation. Let us take this equation as first equation. We got AB here. So from triangle, let us take the from triangle ABC is a triangle. This is ABC. After angle changes to 60 degrees, then it forms a right angle triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by AC. Here we can observe that opposite side AB and adjacent side is AC. Tan 60 is that root 3 is equals to AB by AC. Let us find out the value of AB. Here there is nothing. Let us take 1 and then do the cross multiplication. AB is equals to root 3 into AC. AB is equals to root 3 AC. It is the second equation. Let us take this one as the second equation. We know that here the height of the cliff is this constant value, so that AB and AB and first and second equations are equal, so that we can equate the first and second equations. So first equation is that we'll get OA by root 3 is equals to second equation root 3 AC. So when we do simplification of it, we'll be getting OA is equals to root 3 into root 3 AC. So OA is equals to root 3 into root 3 is 3 is equals to AC. OA is equals to root 3 AC. To find out the value of AC is OA by 3 is equals to AC. AC value is OA by 3. From here to here, the relation between OA and AC is equals to OA by 3. So we need to find out here the value of OC. So the value of AC will be getting, the value of OC will be getting OA minus OC. OA minus OC is equals to OA minus AC is equals to OC. OA minus OC, that is equals to OA minus AC is equals to here OC. So OC is equals to OA is the value here taken as OA same as it is. Then AC is equals to, we know that OA by 3. We need to find out the value of the distance travelled by the boat from here to here. So we need to find out time taken by the boat travel from here to here, 30 degrees to 60 degrees. So we taken OC is equals to OA minus AC. The OA value we know that is OA same as it is, and AC is equals to OA by 3. So OC is equals to, when we are taking LCM for this, then 3 into OA, that is 3 OA minus OA. OC is equals to 2 OA, this is 3 into OA, so 2 OA, 2 into OA by 3. So OC is equals to 2 by 3 into OA. So we got the relation of these two. AC is equals to OA by 3 and OC is equals to 2 by 3 OA. Here we got the relation between OC and OA, that is equals to OC is equals to 2 by 3 into OA, and here AC is equals to OA by 3 we got previously. Now let us find out the distance travelled by the boat from the point which is made 30 degrees angle to 60 degrees. It's travelled 6 minutes. The boat is travelled 6 minutes. Here we got the relation between OC and OA is OC is equals to 2 by 3 OA. So let us write here OC is equals to 2 by 3 OA. Let us keep this beside, and now let us understand it is that boat travel from here to here, and when it is made 30 degrees angle after 6 minutes and 30 degrees it changes to 60 degrees, then it's 6 minutes to travel. Let us assume the boat travel boat is traveling at a speed of V meters per minute. Let us assume the boat is traveling at a speed of V meters per minute. It's a traveling at a speed of V meters. It's a constant value we have taken. So it travels 6 minutes. So total distance it traveled is equals to OC. We know that it's done. It's traveled from 30 degrees when it is made 30 degrees angle, and this till this point when it is made 60 degrees angle. The distance is traveled by this boat in 6 minutes is OC. So OC is equals to, it travels 6 minutes. So OC is equals to speed into time. We know that the distance is equals to speed into time. Distance is OC, so we have taken OC. OC is equals to speed of the boat. We have taken as constant value, that is V into time is we have taken the time. It is 6 minutes. We know that it is given 6 minutes, so that we have taken time is 6 minutes. Speed of the boat we have taken V. So OC is equals to V into 6. So V is here we know that OC, the distance of these 2 points is OC, that is 2 by 3 OA. So let us write in this OC place 2 by 3 OA is equals to V into 6. So let us find out OA here. That is OA is equals to V into 6 divided by 2 by 3. Sorry, when we transpose this 2 by 3 to this side, it becomes 3 by 2. So OA is equals to, when we cancel this 3 times, it becomes V into 9. So we got OA is equals to V into 9. Here we got OA is equals to V into 9. So we need to find out the time taken by the boat to reach the shore. So that is, time is equals to distance by speed. So time is equals to distance. We know the distance OA. Distance is OA divided by speed. Speed we have taken as V, minutes per meters per minute. So that this is V. We know that value of OA, that is V into 9. V into 9 by V. When V get cancelled here, we'll be getting value 9. So time is 9 minutes. The boat is taken 9 minutes to reach the shore of from O to A. The distance is time is taken by the boat to reach the shore from O to A is 9 minutes.